Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain how to do multiplication in algebra. Because in algebra with numbers there are variables also. Okay? And what we do with the variables, when power is given with the variables, then we add the powers. So this is the difference between the multiplication of what? Arithmetic and algebra. So let's start. Find question number 1. Find the value of. Find the value of. Okay. So first one is 3x to the power 3 into 5x to the power 4. So you can see here the variable is what? Same. So what we will do? We will simply write here 5 3s are 15 and x to the power what? The base is same. So we will add the powers. When the base is same, we add the powers. So here base is same. What we will do? We will add the powers. So 3 plus 4 is what? 3 plus 4. So it will be equal to 15x to the power 7. Okay. Now the next question. Next is 5a to the power 2 into 7a to the power 7. So how we will do this one? Again 5, here the base is what? Here again the base is same. So we will add the powers. So whenever base is same, we add the powers. So 7 5s are 35. A to the power what? 2 plus 7, 9. Okay. Now the next is. The next question is 3abc into 6ac to the power 3. So here you can see the A and C is what? A and C is same, but B is not same. B is given only once. So first we will multiply 6 3s are 18. Then A is what? 1 here, 1 here. So 2. Then B only 1. So we will write here 1 only. When 1 you have to write, means if you write or not write, it is considered as 1. And then C. C we will write the power what? 1 here and 3 here. So 1 plus 3, 4. Clear? Now the next is. The next question is that A square B square into 5 A to the power 3 and B to the power 4. So how we will do this one? Again here no number is here, means 5, then A. What is the power of A here? 2, and here the power of A is what? 3. So 2 plus 3, 5. So you will write here 5. Then B. What is the power of B here? 2. 2 plus 4, 6. So 5, A to the power 5 and B to the power 6. Now the next is 2y to the power 2 x to the power 3 into 5 x to the power 3 and y to the power 4. So how we will solve it? Again 5 2s are 10. Then x. X is what? What is the power of x here? 3, and here also 3. So 3 and 3, 6. Okay? Then y. What is the power of y here? 2, and here is 4. So 2 plus 4, 6. So the answer will be what? 10x to the power 6 and y to the power 6. Now let's do the another one. So this is subpart 5. Now subpart 6. Subpart 6. Subpart 6 A B C and then B C D. Clear? So A B C and B C D. A is not repeated. B is repeated and C is repeated. So we will write A, B to the power 2, C to the power 2 and D. Because D is not repeated here and A is also not repeated. Clear? So the answer will be what? A, B square, C square and D. Clear? Now let's solve the another question. Next is multiply. Multiply. Okay. So now first one is a plus b and ab. Clear? You have to multiply AB, A plus B and AB. So we will write A, B and then A plus B. Clear? Then this AB we will multiply, this AB we will multiply first with what? A, and then we will multiply this with what? B. Clear? So A, B into A plus A, B into B. So it will be what? A square B plus A, B square. Because here power is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2. Again here the power of b is 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer will be what? A square b plus a b square. Now next. Next question is 3a. Question number 2. 3a minus 4b and 3ab. Clear? So again we will write 3ab, then inside the bracket 3a minus 4b. So 3ab into 3a, what we can write here? 3 3s are 9. Then a1, here the power is 1, so a square b minus, clear, plus and minus, 3 4s are 12, a b square answer. Okay, it is very easy. Now next. The next question is question number 3. 2xy minus 5by and what? And 4bx. So let's do this one. Write first here 4bx, then inside the bracket 2xy minus 5by. Now solve it. 4 2s are 8. Then no b is here, only one b inside the bracket. With 2 there is no b, and x square and then y. Again minus 4 into 5, 20. Clear? B and b square, x and then y. This will be the answer. Okay? Now next. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is 4x plus 2y, okay, and 3xy. So first we will write what? 3xy, then inside the bracket 4x plus 2y. So now 3 4s are 12, x into x square, y plus 3 2s are 6, x, y into y, y square. And this is the answer. Now next, question number 5. So question number 5. Question number 5 is x square minus x and 2x. Okay? So again we will write 2x, x square minus x, and this will be equal to 2 into 1. So 2x to the power 3. Clear? Minus 2x to the power 2. And this is the answer. Now question number 6. 1 plus 4x and x. Clear? So again x write like this, then 1 plus 4x and then x into 1, x plus 4x square. Answer. Clear? Now next is question number 7. Question number 7 is 9xy square plus 3xy. 3x square y. And what? And 5xy. So we will write 5xy inside the bracket 9xy square plus 3x square y. So 9 5s are 45. Then x into x, x square, and y what? 3. 1 here, 2 here, 3. Then again 5 3s are 15. X square, x 3, and then y into y, y square. Answer. Okay. Now the next question. Question number 8. 6x minus 5y and 3axy. Okay. So this is what? This part is binomial. Okay. And this part is what? Monomial. Means this is the multiplication of binomial with what? With monomial. Clear? So now 3axy, then 6x minus 5y. So multiply 3 6 are 18, ax square y, then minus 3 into 5 15, ax y square. Because ax, here is no ax, so we will write as it is, and y into y, y square. Clear? Now the next question is, this will be question number 9. Now question number 9. Minus x plus y minus z and minus 2x. Clear? So we will write here minus 2x. Then inside the bracket minus x plus y minus z. Okay. So minus into minus plus 2. First we will write what? 2x square. Then minus into plus minus. Then it will be what? 2xy. Then minus into minus plus. Then 2xz. Now I think it is very clear that why I am putting this line here, so that you can easily differentiate between 2 and z. Now next question number 10. Question number 10 is x, y. Question number 10 is x, y minus y, z, and yes, means this you have to multiply with what? X square, y and z square. Clear? Now, so first we will write like this: x square, y, then z square. Okay. Then inside the bracket x, y minus y, z. Okay. Then x square and x to the power 1, x to the power 3, y into y, y to the power 3, and then what? Z square. Clear? Then again minus x square, then y square, and then what? Z. Okay. Now next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 is 2xyz. 2xyz plus 3xy and what? Minus 2y square z. Okay? You have to multiply this one. So first we will write what here? Minus 2y square z. Then inside the bracket 2xyz plus 3xy. Now multiply. So minus into plus, minus 4xy. Y is 2 here, y is 1 here. So 3. And z is what? 2. 1 here, 1 here. Then again minus, because minus into plus is minus. So 2 3s are 6. Then x, then y to the power 3, and then what? Z. Clear? Now the next question. Question number 12. Minus 3xy square plus 4x square y and minus x y. Okay? So solve it. First we will write what here? First we will write minus x y. Then inside the bracket minus 3xy square plus 4x square y. Now solve it. Minus into minus, plus 3, 1 and 1, 2, then 1 and 2, 3. Then again minus into plus, minus, then 4, x1, x2 means x to the power 3, y1, y1, so y to the power 2. And this is the answer. Okay. Now let's do question number 13. Many questions I am doing it here. Do you know why I am doing many questions here? So that your concept becomes what? Very clear. Okay. Now next is question number 13. Minus x square y and minus 3x square y square. And this you have to multiply with what? And 4xy. So first we will write here 4xy. Then inside the bracket minus x square y minus 3x square y square. Now solve it. Plus into minus, minus 4x. 1 here, 2 here, so 3. Then y, 1 here, 1 here, so here is 2. Then minus 3, 4 3s are 12. Clear? 12. Then x 1 here, x 2 here. So what? X to the power 3. Y 1 here, y 2 here. So y to the power 2 plus 1, 3. And this is the answer. Now, next question. Question number 14. 3a plus 4b minus 5c and 3a. Okay. So first what we will write? 3a, and then inside the bracket we will write 3a plus 4b minus 5c. So 3 3s are 9. 9a square. Again plus 3 4s are 12ab minus 5 3s are 15ac. Clear? This is the answer. Now next question. Now next question number 15. Question number 15 is minus 5xy and minus xy square minus 6x square y. Clear? So first we will write what here? Minus 5xy, then inside the bracket minus xy square minus 6x square y. So minus into minus, plus 5 x1 x1 x2 means x to the power 2, y1 y2 here, so y to the power 3. Again minus and minus, plus 5 6 30, then x to the power 1 x to the power 2 means x to the power 3, y to the power 1 y to the power 1 means y to the power 2. And this is your answer. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.